Hello P5/1. How was your New Year celebration? I hope you had a lot of fun. By the way, for today's discussion, we will just continue our topic last week about finding the percentage of a quantity. Again, finding the percentage of a quantity. So make sure you need to watch this because after the discussion, you need to answer your worksheets. You need to watch this video. Please. So here is the example number one. 3% of 200. So there are two ways in finding the percentage of a quantity. So I'll show you method one. So we all know that the 100% of 200 is equal to the exact 200. Okay? From here, we can say that the 1% of 200 is equal to 200 over 100. So again, the 1% of 200 is equal to 200 over 100. So 200 divided by 100 is equal to 2. So we know already that the 1% of 200 is 2. So we will just multiply that to the 3%. Okay, so 2 times the 3% is equal to 6. Therefore, the 3% of 200 is equal to 6. And the other way, the method two, 3% can be written as 3 over 100. Again, the 3% is equal to 3 over 100. They are equal, they are the same. Multiply this to 200, so times 200. As we can observe here, 100 and 200 are divisible by, yes, divisible by 100. 100 divided by 100 equals 1. 200 divided by 100 equals 2. So the remaining numbers are 3 over 1 times 2 is equal to 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Again, the 3% of 200 is equal to 6. Example number 2. Find the 24% of 400. The first method, so 100% of 400 is equal to, yes, 400. And we can say that the 1% of 400 is equal to 400 over 100. 400 divided by 100 is equal to 4. So since we get already the 1% of 400, which is 4, so we will multiply this to 24%. So 24% is equal to 4 times 24. 4 times 24 is equal to 96. Therefore, the 24% of 400 is equal to 96. For the method 2, we can say that 24% is equal to 24 over 100. Again, 24% is equal to 24 over 100 times 400. So from here, we can observe that 100 and 400 are divisible by 100. Yes, 100. So 100 divided by 100 equals 1. 400 divided by 100 equals 4. So the remaining numbers are 24 over 1 times 4 equals 24 times 4. What is 24 times 4? 96. Yes, 96. So the 24% of 400 is 96. Example number 3, 70% of 285. So method 1, again, the 100% of 285 is exactly the whole 285. And 1% of 285 is equal to 285 over 100. From here, 285 divided by 100. We will multiply this because we're looking for the 70%. So 285 over 100 times 17. As we can observe here, 170 are divisible by, yes, by 10. So 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 70 divided by 10 equals 7. So the remaining numbers are 285 over 10 times 7. From here also we can observe that 10 and 285 are divisible by, yes, by 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 285 divided by 5 equals 57. So the remaining numbers are 57 times 7 over 2. From here, we will multiply first the numbers in the numerator. The 7 times 7 over 2, we can get 399 over 2. Then using the long division, 399 divided by 2 is equal to 199 and 1 over 2. Using the method 2, 70% is equal to 70 over 100 times 285. As we can observe here, 70 and 100 are divisible by 10. So 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 70 divided by 10 equals 7. So the remaining numbers are 7 over 10 times 285. From here again, we can observe that 10 and 285 are divisible by, yes, by 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 285 divided by 5 equals 57. So the remaining numbers are 7 times 57 over 2. So multiply the numbers in the numerator. We have 7 times 57 equals 399 over 2. Using the long division, 399 divided by 2 is equal to 199 and 1 over 2. So here is example number 4. 90% of 465. Again, we need to find the 90% of 465. For method 1, we all know that 100% of 465 is equal to 465. Therefore, the 1% of it is equal to 465 over 100. With this, we can say that the 90% is equal to 465 over 100 times 90, because we already get the 1% of 465, which is 465 over 100. So we need to multiply it to the 90%, so times 90. So from here, we can observe that 190 are divisible by, yes, by 10. So therefore, 100 divided by 10 equals 10, and 90 divided by 10 equals 9. From here, the remaining numbers are 465 over 10 times 9. We can observe that 465 and 10 are divisible by what number? Yes, number 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 465 divided by 5 equals 93. The remaining numbers are 93 times 9 over 2. So first, we need to multiply the numbers in the numerator, which is 93 times 9 equals 837 over 2. So again, using the long division, 837 divided by 2 is equal to 418 and 1 over 2. For method 2, we all know that 90% is equal to 90 over 100. Again, 90% is equal to 90 over 100. With this, we need to multiply by 465. From here, we can observe that 90 and 100 are divisible by 10. So 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 90 divided by 10 equals 9. So the remaining numbers are 9 over 10 times 465. Again, 10 and 465 are divisible by 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 465 divided by 5 equals 93. So the remaining numbers are 9 times 93 over 2. So again, multiply the numbers in the numerator. 9 times 93 equals 837 over 2. Using the long division, 837 divided by 2 equals 418 and 1 over 2. So, the 90% of 465 is equal to 418 and 1 over 2. Last example, number 5, 60% of 350. So, method 1, we all know that the 100% of 350 is equal to 350. So, the 1% of it is equal to 350 over 100. Since we already know the 1% of 350, we are going to multiply this into the 60%. So 60% is equal to 350 over 100 times 60. We can observe that 160 are divisible by, yes, by 20. So 100 divided by 20 equals 5. And 60 divided by 20 equals 3. So the remaining numbers are 350 over 5 times 3. Again, in the remaining numbers, we can say that 350 and 5 are divisible by 5. Yes, by 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 350 divided by 5 equals 70. So the remaining numbers are 70 times 3 over 1 equals 70 times 3. What is 70 times 3? Yes, 210. Therefore, 60% of 350 is 210. So using the method 2, we all know that the 60% is equal to 60 over 100. So multiply by 350. We can also say that the number 160 are divisible by 20. So 100 divided by 20 equals 5. 60 divided by 20 equals 3. So the remaining numbers are 3 over 5 times 350. 5 and 350 are divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 350 divided by 5 equals 70. So the remaining numbers are 3 times 70 over 1 is equal to 3 times 70. So what is 3 times 70? Okay, so 3 times 70 is equal to 210. Again, the 60% of 350 is 210. So now it's your turn. Please get your worksheet and your pen or pencil and answer the questions there. Make sure you watch this video so that you will know the process on how to find the percentage of a unit. Again, please watch this video. When you have finished the task, please continue answering your workbook to complete your works from pages 53 up to 60. Again, you need to complete your works from pages 53 up to 60 in your workbook. Thank you all for your cooperation. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.